Hey everybody, today we've got a great Bolognese recipe for you. We're going to be grinding some beef and pork and then slow cooking that with some vegetables, but everything's done in the grinder. What I like about this recipe is it's actually very versatile. So you can make a big batch of this Bolognese, store it, and then use it for different preparations. You could make a taco dip with it, a chili, so you just got to spice it up, put some beans in it. All right, let's get started. So this Bolognese recipe is based on 4 pounds of meat. I have 2 pounds of beef chuck and 2 pounds of pork butt. You can also add any sort of ratio. You could do a third and a third and a third of veal, beef, and pork. You can do chicken, turkey, duck, all pork, all beef, however you want to do it, but the recipe is based on 4 pounds of meat. You can start with 4 pounds of ground meat as well. You can buy that meatloaf mix they have in the store, but I prefer to grind. So we're gonna cut these into strips. I took the strips and cut them into slightly thinner strips. I'm gonna keep the carrots whole because they'll go through the grinder nicely. The onions have to be cut up a little bit. And the garlic is already peeled. All right, so a couple things with the tomatoes when you grind them. I would drain out the juice before you do. I also put plastic wrap over the bowl and connected it to the grinder. So that'll help keep it from shooting all over your counter. Add the meat. Bolognese. I put a little fresh grated Parmesan, some fresh torn basil on it, some olive oil just to finish it up. Toss it with a little spaghetti, but you can toss it with your favorite pasta. It goes well over polenta, it goes well over risotto. You can substitute a gluten-free pasta, no problem. It's really cool to be able to take whole cuts of meat, grind it yourself, and turn it into something unbelievable like this.